Hello students, once again welcome to my channel Satyajit Baraji Pathshala. Once again I am providing you the online classes for Fluid International Academy class 7, and this is our sixth video, which is a continuation of our first chapter. So I hope everyone is staying at home well, fit and healthy, and without wasting much more time I am going to explain exercise 2.3 up to yesterday's class. Up to previous class we have discussed about 2.2, exercise 2.2. I hope all the work I have instructed you to do have been over from your side, and now example number 6, it is very easy, and I hope you will do it by yourself, which you will get in your PDF. And now first question in exercise 2.3 is what? Find. Exercise 2.3, find. First you have to find out. Question number 1 is what? 1 by 4 of it is 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4 of A, 1 by 4, B, 3 by 5. A, 1 by 4, B, 3 by 5, and C, 4 by 3, right? 4 by 3. Now solution I have to do. Now for A, here 3 parts are there. For A you have to do what? 1 by 4 of, first 1 by 4 equals to, how will you do it? 1 by 4 of means into 1 by 4. It is simply what? Multiply them. 1 into 1, 1. 4 into 4, 16. So simple. See, now question number B, part B. So 3 by 5, sorry, 1 by 4 common part, this is for all the parts of 3 by 5. So it is pardon please, 1 of means into 3 by 5. So here also no cancellation is possible, so directly you can multiply them. 1 3 is 3, 4 5 is 20. Now if you look at them, both of them are what? Proper fraction. So you need not to convert. You have no other option to convert here it into mixed fraction. So wherever not needed, you don't do. You need not to convert proper fraction. Now the next part, 1 by 4 of what? That 4 by 3. Look at here, 1 by 4, 4, it of means into, it is 4 by 3. Now here if you look carefully, 4 1s are 4, and here also 4 1s are 4. So 4 er duita cancel jabo. That means it is in the denominator, it is in the numerator. So both of them can cancel each other. So what will be your answer? 1 into 1 you will get 1. Now 1 into 3 you will get 3. I hope you got your answer. This is the technique how to solve it. Resume this video, copy this, and the remaining question you'd solve it by yourself at home. Only one question remaining for in question number 1. Now question number 2, multiply and reduce to lowest possible form. Now in question number 2, what is very simple, that is also very simple. First you have to multiply them, then reduce it to simplest form. How will you do it? Isn't it? Question number 2. Question number 2. Which one? Let me do question number first. Question number 1. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 2 by 3. 2 2 by 3. Now here, look at here. Multiply them first, then reduce to lowest possible form. Now equal, ऐसे multiply नहीं कर पाएंगे. क्यों? Why? Because this is a mixed fraction and you need to convert that into first improper fraction. 3 to the 6 plus 2 8, divided by 3. How I solved it? 3 to the 6 plus 2, it is 8, नीचे 3 होगा. Now cancellation is possible or not? No. इससे इसको नहीं काट सकते. Why? Because both of them are in numerator. And इससे इसको नहीं काट सकते. Though they are both 3, they could not cancel each other because both of them are in denominator. If one in denominator, another is in numerator, then only cancellation is possible. But here that thing is not possible, which was possible in our previous question, last part of the previous question, right? Now you are here only one possibility, just multiply them. What? 2 8 ja 16, 3 3 ja 9. Is there any other further possibility? No. Now it is in improper fraction, you just convert it into mixed fraction. Now 9 ones are 9, remaining how much? 9 plus 7. So this one 7 by 9 will be your answer. So similarly, I hope other question also it is possible for you to do. But let me do one more question. Question number 3, let me solve. Okay, question number 3. What is there? 3 by 8, 6 by 4. 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. Yes or no? 6 by 4. So how will you do it? See, 3 by 4 or 3 by 8 is ko aise rehne do. 6 by 4 ko aise lao. Now, if you look at them, there is a possibility of cancelling them by 2. इसको और इसको काट सकते हो, या फिर तुम इसको और इसको काट सकते हो 2 से. जिसको भी काटना चाहो उसी को काट सकते हो. 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6, और इन दोनों में से किसी को भी नहीं जाएगा. तो सिंपल क्या करना है, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना, क्योंकि इन दोनों से तो कैंसिल होगा ही नहीं. यू कैनॉट कैंसिल ईच अदर दिस 3. ओके, बिकॉज बोथ ऑफ देम आर इन न्यूमरेटर. अंडरस्टूड? Similarly, you cannot cancel them also because both of them are in denominator. Ekata side to thakile noarim ami katibo. Buji paise na? Now just multiply them. 3 3 ja 9, 8 2 ja 16, and it is a improper fraction. No, it is a proper fraction. So you need not to convert any further to any further thing. So it is your answer. So very simple. Do the remaining questions here. Now go to the question number 3. Now move to question number 3. What is question number 3? Okay, question number 3 ki ase? Multiply the following fractions. 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. Number 1 to ke koi disu dekhi bela log hai lagise na. 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4 into 5 1 by 4. Remember one thing, don't cancel them. Dekhar loge loge kati nidiba, ma agoto koisu. Mixed fraction hoye ase nei kobat? Yes, this is in mixed fraction. So first convert them into mixed fraction. Improper fraction. How? Niche 4 hoga. 5 4 is 20, 21. Now try to cancel them. Is it possible to cancel them? Yes. Isse isko nahi jayega, lekin isse jayega. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Now just multiply them. 1 21 is 21, 5 2 is 10. Now it is a improper fraction. Now convert them into mixed fraction. 10 2s are 20, so 1 by 10. Understood? So this is your answer. Now 8 also I will do. Let me solve 8. 3 का ही 8 है, हाँ, 3 का ही 8, 3 का 8. Question number 3, 8 नहीं 7 है, sorry, it's my mistake. 6. Question number 3, 7. 3 4 by 7. 3 4 by 7 into 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. Look first, make sure that here is there any mixed fraction? Yes. If it is mixed fraction, then convert it directly without wasting time. Just convert them. 7 3 is 21, 21 plus 4 25 into नीचे होगा 5, ऊपर होगा 3. Now cancel them if it is possible. Yes, it is possible. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are. Now no further cancellation is possible. So now directly multiply them. 5 3s are how much? 15. 5 3s are 15. 7 1s are 7. It is again a mixed fraction, improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fractions. How? 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 1 will be remainder and 7 will be there. I hope it is clear to all. do it by yourself, you will understand how I got it. Now question number 4, which is greater? You are asked that which is greater. How will you know it? Which is greater means what? It is a concept of comparison. That means you have to compare them first. Without comparing, you cannot be able to say which one is greater or which one is smaller. That means it is a problem of concept of comparison. Now how will you compare them? This is a big question. Yes or no? But this is very simple. I have in the very beginning class, in the very first class, I have already shown you how to compare them. First, question number 1, let me solve. Question number 2, you will solve. Okay. 4, question number 1, what is there? 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Question 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Or is given. What? Or. Not of. It is or. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Yes or no? 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Now, solution. How will you do it? Now, first part. 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 means what? Equals to 2 by 7. This is 2 by 7. Of means what? Multiply. Step by step you do, okay, systematically. Now 3 by 4. How will you do? Now, how here cancellation is possible. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now, is there any other? No other possibility to cancel them. Now multiply simply. 1 3s are 3, 7 2s are 14. So it is, the answer is 3 by 14. Now come here. 3 by 5 of 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Now you tell me, how will you do it? 3 by 5 first, then multiply for of. Now 5 by 8. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. No other possibility. Now here you will get 3 1s are 3, 1 8s are 8. Now if you look carefully, both of them, the numerators are same in this case. Now which rule? There was a rule that if for 2 or more fractions are there with same numerator, then the fraction, then the greater fraction, then the fraction having smallest denominator, that means smallest denominator or smaller denominator, will give the larger value of those fractions. That means G2 denominator horu hobo. Now since these two are same, numerators are same, denominators, look at now the denominators. 14 is greater than 8. That means 8 is smaller than 14. So this is smaller, so this fraction will be greater than this whole fraction. Therefore you have to, since here you can write, since 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14, therefore consa 3 by 8 corresponding, this value is for which corresponding statement? This one. So 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater, you are asking now? Yes, is simply greater. So simple. See, you just pause the video, copy it. Till then I will rub it. Okay, for all the students, I have a request. Who is watching my video, please subscribe my channel if you still have not yet subscribed, such that you can get the notification of your further videos whenever I will upload new videos for you. And please share these videos such that most of the students get the benefit of these videos by watching it. शेयर करने से नॉलेज बढ़ता है, ये हम सभी लोग जानते हैं कि नहीं। तो भागा के पढ़ना चाहिए, मतलब भाग কৰি পঢ়িব লাগে, সবেই শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি পেলাই পঢ়িব লাগে, ৰাইট। শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিলে सबों करने भाल, ज्ञान बटेगा और ज्ञान बढ़ेगा भी। Now question number 4-1 you 4-2 you do by yourself, okay, so similar ekdam. Now question number 5, Sally plants 4 saplings. Sally plants 4 saplings in a row, pardon. Now in her garden, in her garden she has 4 saplings in one row. That means the distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Now find the distance between the first and the last sapling. Okay. Can anybody understand this question? Question number 5, very intelligent and very easy question. See, a garden was there. Suppose this is the garden, Sally's garden. There was, how many saplings were there? I am denoting these saplings by a dot, okay, dot, a dot. 1 dot, 1 sapling. How many saplings were there? 4 saplings are there in one row. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4. All of them are equidistant, right? Now in between 2 adjacent saplings, 3 by 4 meter adjacent. These are adjacent, no? Adjacent sapling. How many meters are there? 3 by 4 meter in between them. Now you are asking that in between this first and the fourth, the distance between, find the distance between the first and the last sapling. This one is the first sapling, first, and this one is the last sapling. What is the distance between these two? If you look at them carefully, here 3 by 4, 3 times 3 by 4 is available. Here also 3 by 4, here also 3 by 4. That means what? Simply we are asked to find out either 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4, or you are asked to find out 3 into 3 by 4. Isn't it? The concept will be somehow like this. So you can draw this, okay, you can draw this. Now after, if you are drawing this, you will get, after drawing this, you will get the idea how to do it. Now solution, you can draw it also, it will be better. Now what you have to write down, given part, given distance between what, 2 adjacent, okay, ADJACENT, adjacent sapling equals to 3 by 4 meter. Yes or no? Total number of saplings in a row equals to how much? 4. Yes or no? Therefore the distance between first and the last sapling equals to how much? 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 meter. Isn't it? It is getting from what? Diagram only, no? Now if we add them, how much you will get? Same LCM, 3 plus 3 plus 3 meter. How much you will get from here? नीचे 4 होगा, ऊपर क्या होगा? 9 होगा. Yes, but since it is a improper fraction, now just convert it into what? Mixed fraction. 4 2s are 8, ऊपर क्या रहेगा? 1, नीचे क्या होगा? 4 meter. So your answer will be 2 1 by 4 meter. I hope everyone got this point. Now come to question number 6. Lipika reads a book for 1 and 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Very simple question. First, copy this, okay? So resume, pause this video and write it down. Then resume it again for the remaining part to be watched. Question number 6. Come to question number 6. What is there? Question number 6 at key question. Lipika reads 3 by 4 of a book. Lipika reads a book for 3 by 4 every day. Solution. Lipika, write down Lipika. Lipika reads the book every day for equals to 1 and 3 by 4. No, yes, 1 and 3 by 4 hours. Now, she reads the entire book in 6 days. Number of days she read the book equals to how many? 6 days, right? Therefore, you are asked to find out total number of hours. Therefore, total number of hours required to read the book equals to how much? How will you find out? See, एक दिन में इतना hours पड़ता है. So in 6 days, simply 6 into 1 3 by 4 hours, isn't it? Yes or no? Now look at it carefully. It is a mixed fraction, so convert it into improper fraction. 4 1s are 4, 7 by 4 hours, right? Now cancel them. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now 3 7s are 21, niche 2. What will be your answer? 10 1 by 2 hours. Simple. Yes or no? So I hope you got this. Now pause the video and copy it. Now question number 7. Question number 7. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2? It is very simple. You do it by yourself. Question number 7 I will not do. It is very simple and it is for your homework. Okay. Now question number 8. Provide the number in the box such that 2 by 3 into that box you have to find out. See, I will show you how to do this type of questions. Very simple. In previous year I have shown you to solve this type of questions. See, in exam you will not be asked to show the procedure for this type of particular type of questions. So it is very easy to solve this type of question. See, I am just roughly doing, okay, roughly doing what? For 8 ए का सपोज पहला आंसर 1, 8a1, व्हाट इज देयर 2/3 2/3 into a box is given equals to how much you need to find out 10/30। अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ गया एग्जाम में तो एकदम सिंपल है, कुछ नहीं करने का, इसमें x पकड़ के मान लो इसको, लेट अस कंसीडर हियर x। सो व्हाट विल हैपन, यू कैन मेक ए इक्वेशन फ्रॉम हियर, राइट। मैंने पहले भी दिखाया था तुम लोगों को कैसे इक्वेशन बनाना है। देखो 2/3, इसमें कुछ लिखना नहीं है, बस ये रफ है, इसको कॉपी में भी नहीं उतारना है, बस देखना है कि कैसे करते हैं। इसको x मान के चलते हैं, इक्वल्स टू हाउ मच 10/30, यस और नो, और इसको कैंसिल कर ही सकते हैं 0 0 को। नाउ इम्प्लाइज अगर इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेगा तो क्या निकलेगा 2x/3 आएगा ना, इक्वल्स टू 1/3 आएगा। नाउ अगर अच्छे से देखोगे तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो ना, दोनों तरफ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, 2x into 3 equals to 3 into 1 into 3 বা 3 into 1, বুঝি পাইছো না নাই পা। ইমপ্লাইজ এই এক্সটোক ইয়াত ৰাখি দিম, सॉरी ये किमान होगा 6x हो जाएगा ना, 6x इक्वल्स टू यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 3 आएगा। नाउ इसको अगर x रखना है तो इसको 6 से डिवाइड कर देंगे हम, और अगर इस साइड में 6 से डिवाइड किए तो इस साइड में भी तो 6 से डिवाइड करना होगा ना, मैंने पहले ही पिछले साल मैं समझा चुका हूँ तुम लोगों को। सो 6 1 6 6 1 6, ये सिंगल x रह जाएगा और ये कितना रह जाएगा 2 रह जाएगा, राइट। दैट मीन्स x will be that in the box what you have to write down, you have to write down, that means here इससे क्या होगा x, 1 into x means x equals to 1/2, that means x is 1/2, then in this box what will be there 3/2 into in this box 1/2 equals to your answer will be, I hope you got it. So similarly you can solve the remaining question also. The simplest form of the number obtained in box is what, और यहाँ पे तो ये सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में ही है ना 1/2, यहाँ पे जो 1/2 निकला है ये 1/2 का और भी कोई सिंपल फॉर्म होगा क्या, देयर इज़ नो अदर सिंपल फॉर्म ऑफ सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर 1/2। इफ देयर अगर इसमें हमें ऐसा निकल आता, जैसे मान लो ओहो इसमें थोड़ा गलती हो चुका है हमारा, इसको हमें काटना नहीं चाहिए था, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म पूछा है ना, तो सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म इसने अगर पूछ लिया है तो इसमें तुम एक काम कर सकते हो, इसको काटो मत, इसको काटो मत, इसको काटोगे तो गलत नहीं होगा, लेकिन मतलब थोड़ा जो आंसर तुम्हें पूछा गया है वो नहीं निकलेगा। देखो इसको ऐसे रहने दो, ये कितना हो जाएगा 30 हो जाएगा, ये ऐसा हो जाएगा ना, इसको ये ऐसा हो जाएगा। तो व्हाट विल हैपन, अगर हम यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितना आएगा 2x के साथ 30 को मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा और 3 के साथ 10 को मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, 10 into 3। नाउ इसमें क्या आएगा 2 into 3 मतलब कितना आएगा 2 into 30 मतलब 60x, और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 30 आएगा, राइट। अब क्या होगा, अब इसमें क्या आएगा, देखो इसमें आएगा ये जो 60x है इसको हमें 60 से डिवाइड करना होगा, और इसको हमें किससे डिवाइड करना होगा 30/60 है ना, इसमें 30/60, इसको भी तो 60 से डिवाइड करना होगा ना, और इस 60 को इस 60 से हम क्या कर देंगे कैंसिल कर देंगे, तो यहाँ से निकलेगा ओनली x, और ये होगा तुम्हारा 30/60। हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, अगर ये 30/60 हो गया दैट मीन्स व्हाट, your x, the value of x will be what 30/60, so this will become what 30 divided by 60। और आ रहा है कि नहीं एक बार चेक करके देखो, यहाँ से 2/3 into 30 क्रॉस चेक करके देखते हैं। हाँ सो यहाँ से हमें इतना निकलना चाहिए। नाउ लुक एट हियर 2 1 जा 2, 2 से इसको 2 3 जा 2 30 जा 60, 3 1 जा 3, 3 10 जा, सो इससे क्या आ रहा है 10/30, और इसके साथ ये जो मैच हो रहा है ना दैट मीन्स व्हाट इट इज़ मैचिंग। नाउ दिस वाज योर आंसर। नाउ व्हाट पार्ट 2, फॉर पार्ट 2 व्हाट इज देयर, व्हाट इज द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ दिस नंबर, व्हाट इज द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म दिखा दो उसको, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म क्या है 30/60 तो है, सो इसको 30 1 ज़ा 30, 30 2 ज़ा 60. सो इसका सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म क्या है 1/2. आई होप यू गॉट इट. एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द B 8B, you can solve it by yourself. It is your homework. Now this exercise also we have completed. Now we will move to division part. Now next part, okay. Here also no such important examples are there. Directly we can move into exercise 2.4. We can move into exercise 2.4. You just copy this, okay. ये सब यार इतना important ये नहीं है, okay. ये सब लिखना इतना नहीं है, ये बस अपने खुद के लिए करना है बस. You can use several techniques to solve these type of questions, okay. And the one I have shown you was the easiest of all. Now in exercise 2.4, that is which is related to our division, division of fractions. Division of fractions means what we need to do. We simply need to do some divisions among, जैसे हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन के वैसे हम डिवीजन भी कर सकते हैं फ्रैक्शंस के साथ. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फाइंड. Question number 1, find. You have to find out. Suppose I am doing 6. Last one I will do. Other one, same technique. You can do other ones also. 5, as we have already got these things in class 5 and 6 also. So 5, 3 by 3, 4 by 7. Now be careful. Don't do anything directly. Just this is a, you know that this is a mixed fraction. Then you have to convert this into improper fraction first. 7 3 is 21, 25. It will become what? 25. नीचे क्या होगा? 7 होगा ना. 7 3 is 21, 21 plus 4, 25. Now क्या है? डिवीजन को हम डिवीजन में रखने से कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. Now we have to convert this division into multiplication. Then only something can be done. So division is nothing but only multiplication, but there will be a change. You have to make it reciprocal. You have to इसको घुमा देना होगा, इसको नीचे को ऊपर, ऊपर को नीचे लाना होगा. That means you have to reverse it. 25 will be here, 7 will be come here. It is the reciprocal of 25 by 7. Now 5 1s are 5, cancellation will be down. 5 5s are 25. Now what will be your answer? 7 by 5. But look at here, this is also an improper fraction. It is also an improper fraction. So make it into, convert it into proper mixed fraction. 5 1s are 5, 2 by 5. So this is your answer. So simple. So remaining you do by yourself. Very simple. Now question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fractions and whole numbers. Very simple. What is that? Question number 2. What is in the question number 2? Question number 2 में क्या दिया गया है? Suppose I am doing question number 5. Okay. Question number 5 is what? Question number 1 5. 12 by 7 is the given fraction. Now in the question you are asked to find the reciprocal of each of the given fractions. So solution क्या है? Reciprocal of, write down, reciprocal of 12 by 7 equals to how much? 7 by 12. Just उल्टा कर दो इसको. Now classify the reciprocal as proper. अब बताओ ये जो reciprocal है ये proper है या improper है? Now write down simply जो भी होगा. Here 7 by 12, this one is a proper fraction. क्या है भाई? ये proper fraction है, उसी को लिख देना है. अगर इसमें improper मिल गया तो improper लिख देना, बस वही है. हाँ, अगर होल नंबर मिल गया, जैसे 1/8 एक क्वेश्चन में है, कौन सा? क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में है. 6 में क्या है? 1/8. इसको अगर उल्टा कर दोगे क्या होगा 8/1, 8/1 मतलब क्या है 8, 8 क्या है ये तो होल नंबर है ना, तो तब इसमें क्या लिखना 8 इज ए होल नंबर, अंडरस्टूड. So I hope it is very simple for you. You can do it by yourself. Now fine, question number 3. Move to question number 3. What is there in question number 3? Look at here. Question number 3. What is there in question number 3? Find. I am doing the last one. It is looking a bit complex. 4 3/7, 4 3/7 divided by 7 na. 4 3/7 divided by 7. So how will you do it? Very simple. See, this first convert it into improper fraction. 28 7 7 4 is the how much? 28. 28 plus 3 how much? 20 31. 31 isn't it? 28 31. Good. इस डिवाइड को हम नाउ डायरेक्टली क्या करते हैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. सो इसके नीचे क्या होता है हमेशा वी नो दैट देयर इज 1 ऑलवेज देयर. तो फाइंड द रेसिप्रोकल. व्हाट विल बी द रेसिप्रोकल 1/7. इसको उल्टा कर देना है कि नहीं, अंडरस्टूड. सो इसको मिटा देते हैं. नाउ इफ यू लुक एट नो कैंसिलेशन इज पॉसिबल. सो सिंपली व्हाट 31 into 1 31, 7 7 is 49. It is itself a proper fraction, so no further calculation to be done here. Now one more I will solve you one more. I will show you one more way. Now let me question number suppose 5. Question number 5 में क्या है 3 1/2 3 1/2 divided by 4. 3 1/2 divided by 4. नहीं ये भी सेम टाइप का निकलेगा. तो क्योंकि ये छोटा है ना, छोटा को बड़ा से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमेशा ऐसा इम्प्रॉपर ही मिलेगा ना. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 करके दिखाते हैं हम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 व्हाट इज देयर 4 1/3 4 1/3 डिवाइडेड बाय व्हाट 3 इज देयर. आई होप 3 yes. So how will you, it is a improper mixed fraction, so convert it into improper fraction. 3 4 12 13. 3 4 is 12 plus 1 13. इसको इंटू में कन्वर्ट कर दो, इसको उल्टा कर दो, क्या होगा ये 1/3 हो जाएगा, क्योंकि 3 का मतलब होता है 3/1. yes or no? Now no cancellation is possible, direct multiply them. 13 ऊपर 13 was 13, 3 3 is 9. It is a improper fraction, so convert it into mixed fraction. How will you? 9 ones are 9, remaining 4 नीचे. So this is will be your answer. So I hope it is very simple for you. You can solve it very in few seconds. Okay, so complete it, and remaining question you do by yourself as soon as possible. You do. Okay, टाइम देख के क्या करो, तब क्या होगा समय का पता चलेगा कि एक क्वेश्चन करने में हमें कितना टाइम लगता है, and it will help you to do more questions in lesser amount of time. Okay, I hope you got. Now question number 4 and the last part of the question exercise. In question number 4, which I need to be solved. See, question number 2 let me solve. 4 का 2 करके देते हैं. देखो क्या है 4/9 divided by 2/3. 2/3. How will I solve it? Is there, first make sure that is there any improper fraction or mixed fraction? No mixed fraction, so simply do it. Now you can directly convert this division into multiplication, but simultaneously you have to make it reciprocal. 3/2 it will become. Yes, now cancellation is possible. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So what will be your answer? 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. So answer will be, it is a proper fraction, so no need to proceed further. Now let me do some other question. Question number 7 let me do. Question number 7, what is there? 3 1/5 3 1/5 divided by 1 2/3 1 2/3. Okay, now both of them are what? Mixed fraction. So first convert them into improper fraction. 5 3 is 15, 1 16. Divided is symbol is there, divided. Let me, why divided to divided kori rakhisu? Because I have to convert this into improper fraction first. So I cannot convert it directly to multiply. Now 3 1 is 3 to 5, right? 3 1 is 3, 2 plus 2 5. Now I can convert this division symbol into multiplication by reciprocating this fraction. Okay, now 5, no cancellation is possible here also. So how much? Simply multiply them. 16 4 3s are 48, 5 5s are 25. If you look at here carefully, this is the improper fraction, so convert it into mixed fraction. Now if you convert them, 25 1s are 25, 25 2s are 50, so 50 no hoga, so 1 and ऊपर क्या होगा 23, नीचे 25. So this will be your answer. I hope you got it very clearly. Now one last question I will do, and that is what? Which one I need to do? Tell me. Question number 5 let me do. Okay, question number 5. 1 4 का 5 हम करके देते हैं. 5. Question number 5. What is there? 3 1 by 2. 3 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. How will you do it? Convert it into improper fraction. 7 by, और इसको डायरेक्टली तुम मल्टीप्लाई कर ही सकते हो क्योंकि यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक फ्रैक्शन ही तो है. इसको रेसिप्रोकेट कर देना होगा हमें अभी. नाउ वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट इट, रेसिप्रोकेट इट, make it reciprocal. Okay, now is there any possibility to cancel them? No, so simply multiply them. 7 3s are 7 3s are how much? 21. 2 8s are 16. Yes or no? Now again it is a improper fraction, so make it round. 16 1s are 16, 5 by 16. So this will be your answer. I hope all of you got it. Very simple questions are there. So fractions part is today over. Now in next class, in next week, we will start with our decimal part. So three more exercises are there, so we will complete it by next week. So I hope you are enjoying my classes. If you really like my videos, please press the like button there and share as much as possible. Thank you very much for watching my video. We will meet in the next class. Till then, be safe, stay at home. Thank you very much.